Hello, thanks for being here on another Studio Suite webcast. For those of you who are new to Studio Suite is a resource management software used by film, TV, music production, post-production facilities all over the world. And this is what Studio Suite looks on a web browser, and we also have a mobile application. Today, we're going to be talking about just how you can use the calendar in Studio Suite to perform many features. So you can many functions. So you can assign tasks. You can create new projects from the calendar module and do many other things. So why don't we go ahead and jump into that? So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen now. You can open up the calendar from here. First of all, if we take a look out over here at the top, we have a section for presets. You can create your own presets so you can organize and group your resources by different categories. So these are some that I've created. Of course, you can create your own, anything that makes sense for you. And we're looking at a timeline view right now. So this is the week. We can also take a look at the month or at a single day. A lot of people find this view really convenient, especially if you work with audio editing and timelines. So right here, we can see all of our resources, and things are color coded. Projects are in green. Right here in tan, we have tasks, employee schedules, and callbacks. By the way, we also have a traditional view. So this is what you get in your typical calendar. So if you're more used to this view and feel more comfortable, of course, you can use this view. Just to show the presets, maybe if we want to just look for our production crew, and we don't want to see everybody. So here it is, just a shorter list of our production crew. And then from here, we can schedule people. So maybe we forgot to book our studio for tomorrow, Studio Kion and Studio A. So now we can add them. We have the option to start a new project or add to existing projects. So I can choose my project, and let's say that this is going to be for our BMW promo video. And now Studio Suite is asking us if we want to go back to the calendar or project view. So I'm going to say, let's go back to calendar. Okay, and these are the two new resources that we've added to that project. Just really simple and easy like that. And if Keon Nelson was set up to receive automatic notifications, then as soon as we book him, he would receive an email with the project name, his start and end times, and any additional notes. From here, from the calendar, we can also assign tasks or create employee schedules or callbacks for any of our personnel. So to use our example over here with Keon, let's say that tomorrow we also want to assign Keon a new task. So we can do so from here. Okay, so we want Keon to collect NDAs from the crew. This has been assigned, and we can choose a project. That's really convenient as well. So let's say that this is going to be for our song number 2 project. So we can estimate how long this task is going to take. So let's say that, that might take him about an hour. Right here, it's already assigned to somebody, so we don't have to do anything else. But just in case you want to add somebody else to this task, you can also do so. And here's Keon's new task. So collect NDAs from crew. So we can turn these on and off. If we don't want to look at projects, we can turn that off. And we also have some sub presets. So this is helpful if you want to zero in on a particular resource. Right, just want to look at anything that's happening for Studio A, get an easy view like this, and I know the availability. Same thing for any other resource, including our friend here, Keon. So 16th, 22nd, cool. So book them on the 24th or any other dates. And if you are already using Studio Suite, let me show you how we create these presets. So for that, we can either go to settings from here, or we can click right here on settings. We have different presets already built in over here. So you can create a new one. Let's just do that. We'll title it our new preset. I know, it's very creative. Now that we've created that new one, it's going to show up over here so we can select it. And anything that's highlighted in blue, it's going to be part of this preset. So what I would do if I would be creating a new preset, I would create the new preset, name it, select it, then maybe I would just deselect all and just add the people that I want this preset. So maybe, you know, I want good old Keon. I know he likes using Studio A, so let's do that. Sometimes we also use a Foley room and like take some pictures or videos. We can get some more people to help Keon. I'm gonna get him a hard drive. And also we like to order meals. So there we go. Now we're gonna say update. Preset has been updated. It's a good sign. Perfect. Now let's go back. So now let's make sure that this is, oh yeah, so it's already selected over here, presets, new preset, and we have all of these resources that we added to that preset. These could be teams as well. That could be a good idea. So this could be Keon's team and it's typical workflow. So, you know, we'll go ahead and give him Studio A and book a couple of other people to help out. And then from here, we're just gonna create a new project. We can choose a client. This could be an internal project, or it could be an external project for some clients. Here are the resources that we've created. And if we take a look at our calendar, here it is. So we have that on the 24th. We have Studio A, the camera, Elena, and Eric. So here it is with their respective dates. So that's pretty much how you create those presets. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. I'm going to be wrapping this up. So thank you all very much for being here and for watching this webinar. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us a note at StudioSuite at sales@studiosuite.com. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have about our calendar or Studio Suite, and I hope you have a wonderful day.